All right, so we've got some Tannerite. We've got the old AK sighted in, ready to rip. Doing a little Tannerite, Mills ammunition style. What do?
You just you put the Tannerite pellets in there, and then you put the mixing compound in.
What do we pay? $7 for this?
$7. All right. Then cap it off, and then you shake it. Supposed to shake it till everything's kind of got that gray color.
Looks pretty damn gray already, huh?
Yep, it's good. Now you just pour it back into the target.
How far away are you supposed to shoot it?
They say about 100 yards, but
for reals?
Yeah.
We ain't gonna shoot it 100
No.
yards.
I figure we can do.
Watch us get blown straight up to the damn moon. Extra Tannerite.
Alright. That's what you do.
And then what are we going to do? Put it on that pole?
I'm going to put it on that pole. So.
Well, you going, how far are you going to go?
I'm just going to go right up here.
Okay.
Think it's good?
Yeah. What do you think we're at?
What?
What do you think we're at? 75? So there she blows. All right, let's go back and shoot it.
See what happens.
See what happens. So now we're doing this other stuff that we got. This is Southern Thunder explosive targets. I believe these folks are in North Carolina. I think I got this at a gun show that we were doing. So yeah, we got this as Southern Thunder. It's the same idea. Comes in two parts. You got this part here, and then you got this stuff here. It says that you are to use it the same day and not transport it as well, which, you know, I'm no brain surgeon, but that makes complete sense to me. So we're just gonna dump all the gray in here and then mix accordingly. Did you find a tin dip? We're gonna put it in a tin of dip. See what that does. Shaker, 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 shaker. It does disperse pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't think you want any, what would be the word? I think it needs to be completely mixed.
Yeah, it's got to be like completely saturated.
Yeah. You don't want any
white stuff
showing. You gotta shorten it.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's mixed.
Fill it up.
Yeah.
All right.
That's pretty good.
Here's the lid.
Do you think we could put it in that tree?
I'm gonna
Here. What?
You want to put it down range though?
No.
You want to put it? You really want to put it there?
I don't know. It says 75 yards, but I don't know how much we got in there.
Oh, it's probably 75 for the whole thing.
Well, I don't know. I would think, right? Yeah, I kind of like that.
Huh?
I like that.
All right.
Are we gonna die?
I don't think so.
I think we'll be all right.
It's high enough off the ground.
I say we get like here.
I wonder if it's gonna have problems going through that tin top.
It ain't gonna have no problems going through that, dude. I just want to live.
Huh?
I just want to live.
I think we'll be all right.
I mean, it's a complete experience,
go ahead.
dude. Go ahead. Holy. Was that crazy?
Yeah.
Dude, what did y'all think of that? That seemed a little nuts. So that was just a tin of dip sized contain. It was a tin of dip. Dude, so I hope you can remember. Like this is the old. This tree's exceptionally dead, and we've been shooting it with bird shot and all kinds of different things.
Get the thing on your feet. That's what fell off.
Which is it? Oh God, yeah. So, yeah, that whole piece of wood right there is what. I guess you'll see that in the video. I don't know. But yeah, that was hectic, man. That was such a small amount. I'm voting for that stuff over the Tannerite right now.
Yeah, by far.
I thought that was pretty devastating. All right, cool.
Met a girl downtown at the bar last night and we got to talking.